Ferrari 458 Italia is a mid-engine sports car produced by the Italian sports car manufacturer Ferrari. The 458 replaced the Ferrari F430, and was first officially unveiled at the 2009 Frankfurt Motor Show. It was replaced by the Ferrari 488, which was unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show 2015. In Ferrari's first official announcement of the car, 458 was described as the successor to the F430 but arising from an entirely new design, incorporating technologies developed from the company's experience in Formula. The body computer system was developed by Magneti Marelli Automotive Lighting. The 458 is powered by a 4,499cc V8 engine of the Ferrari or Maserati F136 engine family, producing 570 PS at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 540 Nm at 6,000 revolutions per minute, with 80% torque available at 3,250 revolutions per minute. The engine features direct fuel injection, which is a first for Ferrari mid-engine setups in its road cars. One obvious change from the styling of the car it replaces is that the intakes for the engine bay cooling have been moved from the car's rear flanks to the undertray, improving the overall efficiency and the operation of the rear diffuser. The striking air intakes on the 360s and F430's rear haunches have been dropped in favor of a triangular intake that blends into the tapering window line. It's a more elegant solution. Clever aerodynamics haven't harmed the beauty of the car. The distinctive vent that leads up to the headlight allows the air to cool the brakes and then feeds it out of the channel on the other side to reduce lift over the front arches. Then there are the inlet wings. These angle air upwards so enough is pushed through the radiators at low speeds that they then deform to reduce drag at higher speeds, when you don't need such a large inlet area for adequate cooling. These wings also generate downforce. Ferrari says the small lip on the boot provides plenty of downforce, and a movable wing is not necessary. We never found any reason to disagree. Finally, there is a touch of Enzo in the 458's overall design, particularly in the shape and position of the rear lights, although the Enzo had twin units. Vents below the rear lights are for radiators to cool the gearbox and clutch. Having said all this, the 458 Spider arguably ups the desirability stakes even further. Its aluminium roof is 25 kilograms lighter than the 430's fabric setup, and can be retracted in just 14 seconds. Whilst it loses the Italia's glass engine cover, the cohesive packaging of the roof means choosing a convertible Ferrari is no longer rife with compromises.